Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create and follow hashtags on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create and follow hashtags on Instagram. This is a fairly easy process and won't take us too long to explain, but what we're first going to have to do is create an Instagram account. Once you have that account created, you're going to download the Instagram app. And once you've downloaded that app, you're going to go into the app. This will bring you to your home page. Now to create a hashtag, first you're going to have to create a post. So we're going to create a post. Once you have that post, you can do anything that you need to with it. And then this is going to be a very easy process. You're going to put in your hashtag. And once you've done that, you can see where the hashtags are. So you're going to select that, you'll hit OK. And then when you post this photo, that will post to that hashtag. So we're going to hit share. And that should be shared to our account. Now we're going to go into the Tech Talk hashtag. So you're going to type in Tech Talk into your search bar. You're going to go over to tags. And you'll see that hashtag. Now we'll click on that. It does take a second for your photo to join all the rest of them. But if you want to follow this hashtag, you're going to just hit the follow button. Now anyone who uploads anything with the hashtag Tech Talk, you'll be able to see that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.